Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I like to have fun when I clean. So when I first saw the design of these Cosywell mop slippers, I just about died. I really liked the option of being able to put these on my feet, bust a move, and clean at the same time. I also do like, because sometimes with certain brooms, mops, it is hard to get them into certain areas, but my foot actually can fit in there a little bit easier. I have a little bit more mobility in my ankle to go around and to fit into kind of hard to reach areas. You can even have a broom or a mop in your hand at the same time. So you actually end up putting in less effort into the amount of work you're able to get done. It comes in a variety of colors. Each color comes in a pair to match, because why put something on your foot if they're not gonna match? That would be crazy. So I really like this because sometimes I don't feel like getting a mop out or grabbing my broom. I can easily slip this over my shoes or my slippers, whatever I'm wearing. I like the little tiny arms that stick out because it does a great job in grabbing the dust bunnies, in grabbing dirt, and when you are mopping, to really get into all of those little nooks and crannies, which is really nice to not only get something done quickly, but to get it done properly. So I love these. I think they are fun and definitely get the job done. But that's my point of view.